In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView tools effectively. Let's dive right into the essential tools and features that will enhance your trading analysis and make your charting experience more insightful. First up, let's explore the drawing tools, which you can find on the left toolbar. These tools are essential for directly designing your technical analysis right on the chart. Start with the trend line or ray tools. These are perfect for drawing trend directions and breakout lines, helping you to visualize the flow of the market. Next, you have the horizontal line, rectangle, and Fibonacci tools. These are indispensable for marking support and resistance levels, or even broader zones in the market. Using these tools effectively will help you pinpoint crucial areas that could influence future price movements. Additionally, you have text and arrow tools. These allow you to add personal annotations, mark trade setups, or simply jot down notes that will help you remember specific insights about your analysis. Finally, don't overlook the position tools. The long-short position tool will be your go-to for visualizing trade risk and reward by clearly defining entry points, stops, and targets on your chart. Mastering these drawing tools will enable you to define patterns, highlight zones, and craft strategies with clarity. Now, let's move on to indicators and strategies, which can be found under the FF button. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a wealth of built-in and community-contributed scripts. The categories, such as trend, momentum, and volume, let you filter through these options easily. Simply click an indicator to apply it to your chart. Once it's there, you can customize its settings through the Format menu to better suit your analysis needs. With these tools, you can overlay key indicators like MACD, RSI, and moving averages, providing a deeper dive into market dynamics. Next, let's examine the ruler tools. These can be accessed by holding down the Shift key and then clicking and dragging on the chart. The ruler swiftly measures price movement in terms of pips, points, percentage, and even the time range. For those who need precise validation of pip counts or movements from entry to exit points, the date and price range function will be invaluable. Moving to the top toolbar, you'll find the bar replay button. Clicking on the will allow you to visually test past setups. This feature lets you step forward through historical data, replaying price action as if it's occurring live. Bar replay is incredibly useful for testing out strategies against past market data without the pressure of real-time decision-making. Lastly, we'll discuss alerts, represented by the bell icon at the top right of your screen. By clicking the alert icon or right-clicking on any chart element, you can define triggers based on price or indicator conditions. Alerts can be customized to prompt a pop-up, play a sound, send an email, or deliver mobile notifications. Free accounts get access to one server-side alert, while paid plans offer more. This feature is essential in helping you stay ahead of key market movements without needing to constantly watch the charts. Utilizing these TradingView tools will significantly bolster your trading arsenal, making your analysis more comprehensive and your trading activities more informed.